Eva Drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this beautiful Barbie with me today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Let's start drawing our Barbie by her beautiful hair on top of her head. We continue the line of her wavy hair step by step. We draw all the ends very slowly. Very good! Now, we've rounded all your hair to the top. Barbie was created in 1959 by entrepreneur Ruth Handler, and quickly became an icon of fashion and the children's universe. Let's contour all the inner lines of the hair with elegant hairstyle of our Barbie step by step. Later these lines will serve to separate your darker locks. Barbie is one of the most famous and adored dolls in the world. She's an iconic figure who has enchanted several generations over the years. Barbie is a versatile doll and can take on different roles such as doctor, dancer, astronaut, and more. It inspires children to dream big and believe in themselves. Let's draw the lines of the face and neck of our amazing character. It was perfect. Our Barbie is already beginning to appear. To finish our Barbie design, we will draw the details of your face. We now draw your eyebrows. Very well. We also draw your eyes step by step. Very good. Finally, we draw her delicate little nose and also her cute little mouth. It is getting very good. Wow. We have finished all the outline of our Barbie design. She was beautiful. If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new drawing. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the 5 colors that we will use to paint our beautiful character. To begin our painting, we will use the yellow color to paint all the wavy and elegant hair of our Barbie. The Barbie doll is also a magical character who lives in a world of fantasy and adventure. She is always ready to face challenges and follow her dreams with determination and courage. That's it, very good. Now, we will use the color orange to paint the details of the strands throughout our Barbie's hair, one at a time, step by step. Our Barbie is getting perfect. Very well. Let's use the beige color to paint the neck and face of our cute doll. Very well. We will use the light blue color to paint the beautiful eyes of our Barbie. It's getting very good. To finish our painting, we will use the color pink to paint the details of the face of our famous character. We start painting the shadow of her eyebrows and paint her whole mouth step by step. Still in pink, we will paint the signature of your name next to your cute design. That's great! Our Barbie drawing was beautiful. Wow! Our Barbie design is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute Barbie was splendid. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about Barbie. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I really hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A Super Ava kiss and see you soon. Eva Drawings.